हालांकि आगे बढ़ेंगे, बात कर लेते हैं दक्षिणी राज्य तमिलनाडु की। तमिलनाडु में मॉनसून की तबाही लगातार जारी है। मूसलाधार बारिश की वजह से शहर, खासतौर पर चेन्नई समेत तमाम जो शहर है उनकी दशा बिगड़ी हुई नजर आई। वहीं मौसम विभाग ने तमिलनाडु, पुडुचेरी और कराईकल क्षेत्र के अधिकतर हिस्सों में हल्की से मध्यम बारिश की संभावना भी व्यक्त की है और अलग अलग जगहों पर गरज के साथ बारिश होने की बात कही है। आईएमडी के मुताबिक तमिलनाडु की तेनकासी समेत तमाम जो जिले हैं भारी बारिश के साथ छिटपुट भारी से कम बहुत भारी बारिश होने की संभावना जताई है। तो लगातार किस तरीके से आपको बता दें, पूरे तमिलनाडु में बारिश की वजह से स्थिति बदहाल है। वहीं दूसरी तरफ चक्रवात फेंजल कई दिनों तक चेन्नई में कहर बनकर टूटा। चक्रवात ने लोगों की परेशानी को दोगुना किया, क्योंकि कभी चक्रवात तेज हो रहा है, कभी धीरे। देखिए मेरी सहयोगी धारणी बालासुब्रमण्यम की ये विशेष रिपोर्ट।
For residents across several localities in Chennai, the aftermath of Cyclone Fenjal has been a story of short-lived relief. While many feel they dodged a bullet with the cyclone, they do realize that the cyclone was not their biggest problem. It is the poorly maintained streets in their area. Amid the ongoing northeast monsoon, which is lashing their city, waterlogged interior roads with craters are turning into minefields, with residents dreading untoward incidents at all times. Something, they say, must be addressed urgently.
The famous note in Hindi, गड्ढे के बीच सड़क है, सड़क के बीच गड्ढे नहीं है. Okay, which means that there are holes and there are roads in between holes, not the other way around. Okay, see, I live in KK Nagar. Okay, it's supposed to be one of the poshest areas in Chennai. Now you come to KK Nagar, it's in shambles. There is no road which is not dug up.
The administration denies any apathy and says while focus was on relief and rescue during and after the cyclone, road repairs are now being done in earnest.
Some potholes have been identified and some roads have been damaged. So we have taken the roads and we have identified around 5,000 potholes. So we have instructed to put the patchwork and all the officials are doing it.
The activists, on the other hand, say that the government must give due importance to interior roads in the city used by thousands of commuters every day, and the repair work is not done shoddily.
Chennai, for example, if you take, there are a total of 45,000 roads. Now, every year, they lay around 3,000 or 4,000 roads. So what they do is they ensure that the main roads, the bus route roads, are laid once in, let's say, 3 years, 4 years or 5 years. Whereas the interior roads are laid once in 10 years or 15 years. They should be laid in a quality such that it is there for 10 years. But unfortunately, the quality of the road that is being laid is very, very poor.
India may be a land of incredible diversity in culture and language, but there is one common thread which binds every one of us: dealing with administrative apathy, grappling with cratered roads and shoddy repairs. The people of Chennai hope that this time around those responsible with road maintenance will actually walk the talk. With Dharani Balasubramaniam, Mirror Now report.
उधर मोदी कैबिनेट